Oh, heck yeah, feels good. Just got this in the mail from Amazon. Ingenuity Trio 3-in-1 high chair. 4 wheels. Let's open it up. All right, so I got all the parts and I got all the tools I think I'm gonna need. Let's put it together. So it's gonna be our first review of baby stuff. This is a chair, like I guess like a feeding chair or a high chair for a little baby. The box says it's for like babies that are 6 months up to 5. I think it said 5 years. But it's the same brand and it looks a lot like the one I bought from Walmart. It was about 120 bucks, and this one was also 120 bucks. But the big difference, like for why I didn't really like that Walmart one, I got this one instead, is that this one's got 4 wheels, and so like you could just push the chair wherever you want to go, because we move them around a lot. Like we'll put them in the chair while we're doing stuff. But yeah, the other one, it had 2 wheels on the front, and it was like you had to lift the back end up while you're moving it around, and it wasn't like super sturdy, so it almost felt like, you know, if you go a little too fast or you lift it a little higher on one side, and if it tips, like the way he's sitting in the position of the chair is like his head is the first thing that's gonna hit the ground. So I was like, yeah, that ain't it. So anyways, let's just get this together and see how he fits. It does look a lot like, I don't know what the word is, sturdier. I don't know, like this thing looks bigger and the legs feel a little better. It looks very similar, but this one just feels a little bit more high grade, I guess. But yeah, let's just put it together real quick. All right, and there it is. Took about less than 5 minutes. You actually didn't even need any tools. I just used the scissors to, like some of the parts were attached. It was just a little zip tie thing I had to cut off. But yeah, it is a lot nicer than the other one, and it's the same price. And plus you don't have to go to Walmart and pick it up. Like Amazon dropped it off the next day. And it's pretty much the same, but like I said, it does feel a little, like this looks a little bigger, and it's just, overall it's going to be a lot nicer because it's got the 4 wheels, got the wheel locks on the back, so I guess if you just want them in one spot, not going to move them around. But yeah, here's the tray thing. We didn't really use this on the other one because he's still young, he's like 9 months, so we're not really giving him food to eat on his own yet. Plus I don't trust him, he's going to make the biggest mess. So we're just we sit him in there and we feed him, and that's it. And watch the NBA playoffs while he's in the chair. And yeah, I'm not gonna use this right now, but I think this piece comes off so you can throw it in the dishwasher. Pretty sick. But anyways, we will check it out and I'll let you know how it goes. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.